Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link cards in Trello in 2024. So linking cards can help creating or create relationship between tasks, and also it will help you improve workflow efficiency. So if you want to link cards in Trello, you would like to follow the step-by-step guide, step by step, because it will help you through everything that you need to link your cards in Trello. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, simply just go to the CRL section. All you need to do here is just type trello.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page instead. Here, as an example, all you need to do just go and log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, you would like to go and create a new one, as you can see here at the top right corner. Of course, if you have like a Google, Facebook, Microsoft's, not Facebook, like Google, Microsoft's, Apple, or Slack, you'll be able to use one of those, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll be able to take, you'll be taken to the last workspace that you like was at. Unless you don't have any workspace, you can go and create workspace if you want to. Once you create your workspace, you can create your list, your cards, and everything about it. Of course, make sure to go and create a board to show you like how to link some cards together, because without like a board you'll not be able to create a list, and without a list you'll not be able to create some cards to link either. Or anyway, so here we will need to go and create a board. Of course, you can just go here and click on this, click on create. As you can see, you'll be able to find create a board, or you can even start creating a board within a template that they already have. For me, I already like have a board, but for you, as an example, if you click in here, you'll be able to create your own. Just put up a title, visibility, and background, and simply you'll be able to create it. As we said, you can even start with a template. You have here multiple. If that's nothing suits your needs, of course, you can just go here and click on Explore Template, and this will take you into this whole like new page full of templates. You can choose whatever suits you. For me, I already have a board. As you can see, your boards, I already have a board. So I'll just go and access that tier list board. As you can see, the board is tier list board like S, A, B, C, D, F, and I guess E is last. No, never mind. I don't know what's that. But anyway, as you can see, so garbage, bad, mediocre, good, great, and superior. So basically, we would like to, as we said, link some cards. So let's just first of all create some cards because I have no cards. So I'll just go and create like a card here. I'll just name it test. And I'll create a card here. I'll name it test 2. One here, I'll just name it tester. Here, I'll just name it TT. Here, I'll name it T2. And T1, why not? And yeah, that's it. So how can we link those cards together? Of course, inside the cards, as an example, if we go to the specific card and click on that edit card option, as you can see, you have open card, edit label, change members, change cover, edit dates, move, copy, and archive. And of course, let's just go and click on open card. So here in open card, of course, you can first of all assign some members to it. You can give it a label, an example, if it's important, if it's urgent, or something like that. You can add some checklists, some dates, some attachments to the card, cover, custom fields, some power-ups if you want to, some automation buttons, remove, copy, make templates, archive, and share. To link a card, we would like, of course, to click on this share option. So inside the card, just go and click on the share button. As you can see, it's located normally at the bottom right of that card. And they will give you, as an example, the link of this card. As you can see in here, all you need to do, just go to the second card. Of course, after you copy this link, so just go and copy it. Then go to the second card, click on that card. And in here, of course, once you open it, in the description or the comment section, you can paste the link to the first card, and this will create an internal link between the two cards. So, for example, in this description, I'll just go and paste that here. Now, this card is linked to this one. So if people click on it, as example, they will be taken to this test one, so which is in Superior. As you can see, it's even show you the list that's on it. And if you click on it as an example, you can edit the link or be taken to it, as you can see. So we can do the same for this one. So as an example, I'll just click on this one, click on share, copy this link, go to this, and puts it right here in the description. Save. And as you can see, now we get the now this card, of course, again is linked to this. So we can do the same as example with others. So we can go to this one as example here, go to share, copy it, go right here, click in here and puts it there, save, and as you can see, it's right there. So example, this card is linked to this one is linked to this one, and this one is linked to this one. It's more like pointers if you know about C a little bit. So that's how you basically link cards together in Trello. Of course, if you don't know, or if you just created your board, you don't have any lists now, you can simply just first of all create some lists to create some cards. So you can go here and click on add a new list, name it whatever you want. So for me, I'll just name it like, I don't know, double H, good. And as you can see, we can simply just go and add some cards to it, or you can even click on here and add some cards to it. So, for example, I'll just add here another triple H like card. And as you can see on that specific card, I'll just put another link in here, as you can see. So click on save. And now, as you can see, those cards are linked together. So if I click on it, and they will take me exactly to that card. So I'll just click on that card. As you can see, I have the link of the tester card, which is in good section. So if I click on it, as you can see, I'm on that card specifically or right away. Now, if I click on this, I'll be taken to the other card in Superior right away, as you can see. So those cards now are linked together without any problems, of course. And yeah, so I'll just go and archive this list to let the list as it is. And yeah, I should be good to go. Of course, if you make any changes, make sure to save anything before you quit. If you delete something, keep that or keep everything in mind, of course. That you don't delete something by mistake, you'll find an undo button as example. So maybe I delete that or archive this as example. You'll find an undo button here. So make sure to click it before it disappeared. Or you can even, of course, like find it in an archived place so you can get this back if you lost it or something like that. So basically that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I show you how to link your cards. So thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.